About skimming price. Now, one of the problems in teaching business and marketing subjects is many times there's slang expressions from situations many of the students don't know. It doesn't matter whether you're an international student or even some Canadian students don't know the origins of some of these phrases. And one of the phrases we talk about in business and marketing is a skimming price. Where does that come from? Well, if you're milking a cow, as we see here, and putting it in a bucket, when you put milk directly from the cow in a bucket, what happens is the cream, which is the thick part of the milk, rises to the top. Now we use a verb, skimming, to take a ladle and skim off the top of the cream, which is a more valuable part of the milk. You can use that for processing other types of dairy products. So skimming is a slang expression meaning to take the best stuff off the top, right, which comes from milking a cow and putting the milk in a pail. Now in marketing, what skimming means is, at the very beginning of selling the product, you charge the highest price possible. So an example of that would be DVD players when they came out in, say, 1999, 2000, 2001. At that particular time, they were for sale around $350, $400. And if you wanted one, that's what you had to pay. And after Christmas, they dropped down in the range of about $290. And then by the following summer, they were in the range of about $220 or even $199. Now, the question is, why didn't they just start selling them for 40 bucks if that's where the price is going to end up? Answer, because they make more money selling to a large number of people at the very beginning at the $350 range, and then the $300 range, and then the $250 range. So skimming price is when you have an expectation that the early adopters of your product are going to quite easily pay a higher price, so you might as well take the money from them. So that's what a skimming price is at the very, very beginning. It's also partly a result of the competitive environment. When you don't have any products which are competing against this category, then you can charge what you want, and if people want it, that's the price you have to pay. So as time progresses, and you have other companies starting to knock off your product, or customers have a greater variety of options available to them, then you have to lower the price in order to be able to sell. So that's what a skimming price is.